In this video, I'm going to show you how to follow Exness signals. Now to do this, first you want to sign in to your Exness personal area dashboard, and then from here you want to go to Insights on the left, and you want to click on here where it says Trading Signals. So when you're inside Trading Signals, you can then go and follow the Exness trading signals in here. You have those for Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, and commodities as well. And of course, from here you can always go and click on a specific one, and it's going to open it up like this, and it's going to see intraday, daily, weekly, etc. And you can basically see kind of the descriptions over here next to it, okay? So whenever you actually find these signals, if you want to follow them, you can always go to the left, trading, and then just go and open this Exness terminal in a new tab, right click and click on open link in new tab, or just click on it and it's going to open up. And then from here, of course, if you want to, you can follow your the signals over here and make trades based on them in here, okay? So that's of course one way to follow the Exness signals, which are provided here inside the Insights tab inside your personal area. But of course, this is how you can do it, or you could use any other methods as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.